everyone, and welcome once again to Sanskriti Kolkata's YouTube episode number 907. And I'm Lalia. Today is an exclusive Kanjivaram episode. I'll show all varieties and range. I'll start with a Siko Kanjivaram borderless. Very pretty, different kind of a weave. These are borderless and they have cotton yarn in this. Hence the price is reasonable, but we have done it in a very modern weaving design. The pattern of the weave is not the traditional Kanjivaram. These are Siko, cotton and silk with polka weaving in zari, and the whole sari is a beautiful shade of turmeric. This is the pallu. Very lightweight and borderless, and this comes with a matching blouse piece in the same color. So this is the whole sari. See the lightness and softness of the sari. Ideal to wear for light occasions, for summer occasions, especially where you want lightweight saris, those who can't wear heavy saris. Ideal for them. And we have some stunning dual tone peacock blue colors as well, which looks very grand and very, very smart. Beautiful, very smart looking, and for the modern women and those who like borderless saris to highlight your jewelry, your designer blouses. This is a beautiful piece. So these are specially curated for summer fashion, and those also who like to give a bit of height to your look. So these are borderless ones. They look very smart. Look at the polka weaving, bold polka weaving throughout the sari. And with this, we have this very pretty pallu, which is geometric woven, and of course wear it with the same blouse piece. It's beautiful and it has a great fall. Big width, South saris have very big width, so if you're very tall, these are for you. Now we'll be showing you one with a very subtle silk border without zari in the border, but the body is with tissue woven. So these are again another lightweight cotton base Kanchipuram silk, and this has the blouse piece with the border. Look at the sari. Lovely. And because of this dual tone tissue weaving, we have it a little bit of coral type peachish color here, and we have the rani color in the border. It's a very, very pretty piece. Pallu. Just take the screenshot, and the WhatsApp number is already provided, 7603042696. We ship worldwide, free shipping in India, cash on delivery in Kolkata only. If it is cash on delivery, then there will be an additional delivery charge. Other than that, it's free shipping in India. If you want COD, only then there will be an additional charge. This is another beautiful combination sari in pink and rani. Here also the zari is in gold and silver with buta and the border. Zari palla. Very sober, especially if you want to gift a bride for someone's anniversary. This is a beautiful one with traditional temple border. Very nice. And now I'll move on to silk Kanchipuram silk saris. Kanchipuram silk saris in bottle green border, rich bottle green zari weave border, zari buta. And the beautiful fall of these saris. These are extremely gorgeous. Extremely gorgeous. Look at the border, the pallu. and the green looks so grand. And here is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will have the boot. This will be the blouse piece. Body has gold and silver zari buta. Extremely beautiful fall. It's the color is ivory color. I have another combination in this, which is the black color with you can say dual tone sea green border, emerald green type, and this stunning contrast blouse piece. My goodness, what a beautiful piece. This combination is just wow. Both side florals, and then we have the zari buta throughout the sari. Pure silk woven saris, Kanchipuram pure silk saris in amazing combinations and shade. Now these are for corporate wear, pure silk, no zari Kanjivaram saris, no zari, but it has the traditional woven border, traditional naksha buta, and here is the pallu, the paisley pallu with the blouse piece. Just beautiful. These no border, no zari Kanjipuram silks are very much in demand. They are unique and rare. Very classy with big pallu. Color option for these are the mustard tone, see the combination again without buta, but it has a self stripe weaving, and we have the blouse piece. Lovely. See the weaving, extremely beautiful border. It has a self stripe weaving, and the border is there in both same width. If you are in Kolkata, please visit our store 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Sundays closed, but before the pujas, we'll be keeping open every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Video call options available also. See this lovely combination in this coral, snuff, charcoal. Very beautiful sari, very beautiful. These are highly on demand, so whenever it is restocked, I do a video. I love these concept saris, and they are very, very unique. है ना सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर साड़ीज। और इसका सबसे खूबसूरत बात है कि ये विदाउट जरी भी इतना ग्रैंड लुक है इसमें। देखिए कितना बढ़िया सब कलर्स हम दिखा रहे हैं, डीप, लाइट, सोबर, बहुत सारा कलर्स है इसमें। इसका बहुत डिमांड रहता है। एवरीबडी दोज हु लाइक ब्यूटीफुल सिल्क साड़ीज and they wear them for corporate meetings, for official meetings, for any occasions where they don't want, in the day, during the day, when they don't want to highlight too much of zari. These are beautiful options. And then we have the black color in this. Now again, Kanchipuram silk, pure silk saris, gorgeous yellow and rani with lovely tissue and zari woven border. Here is the pallu, and then the raw silk blouse piece, dual tone raw silk blouse piece. You can check out our Instagram reels where we put up new launch of woven saris, embroidered saris. We put up short videos, budget friendly short videos in Instagram as well as Facebook. So please follow us in our social media handle. And of course, if you want any other particular concept of saris that you wish to see, our team will be there to help you select via video call or through pictures, whichever is convenient. Tailoring unit is there in both the branches. This again comes with this raw silk blouse, shades of pink and zari. And the beautiful part is this mint color weave in the pallu. It is looking so pretty, very sober, small buta zari palla in this fuchsia tone with this pink blouse piece in raw silk. बहुत सुंदर color combination, even the weave. I'll just show you the reverse side. This is the reverse side of the sari. Coming up, a very smart piece, very smart piece, pure silk sari. Bold polka, raw silk blouse piece, body is in pure Kanchipuram silk. Black and rani. Very fashionable piece. Very smart. Neighbors envy, owners pride. I'll show you two more Coimbatore silk sari, beautiful Coimbatore silk sari, where we have these gold and silver zari buta in a royal blue color. Gorgeous pure silk in rich ink blue. Butas are throughout and very close buta. The zari in the border is also light gold and silver. Very pretty, beautiful, pure silk sari, and the price is 15,500. Another color option is this purple. This also, the buta design is different, but the combination is same, like gold and silver. Price, I'll just check the price, and here is the blouse piece. This is 17,500. Pure silk, purple color, and this is the cobalt color. So two stunning pure Coimbatore handwoven silk here. Now I'll show a very exclusive brocade Kanjivaram silk sari inspired by Patola weave. Look at the body. Kanjivaram, pure Kanjivaram, brocade Kanjivaram silk sari with all over Patola inspired tissue weave. This is the fall of the sari. Rich gold bridal collection, one of a kind with blouse piece. Just see the sari. Rich gold, red border. Pujo is almost knocking at the door, so this can be a collection to your this year's wardrobe. Very, very beautiful even for weddings. Very beautiful sari and not that heavy also. And here we have another stunning brocade Kanjivaram, tissue Kanjivaram, you can say lightweight, hand woven, beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari, gold ivory with pinkish red. Look at the pallu. It has a tone of magenta to red, dual tone. The sari itself is fully zari woven with soft zari woven silk border. The best part is I make sure that the saris are wearable. It's not that the look wise it is becoming so grand and so much of zari, the look, the richness, yes, but it has to be comfortable as well, like this one. More from our tissue Kanjivaram saris. This is a dual tone peacock green color. Beautiful, isn't it? Single color, dual tone, but monotone with so much of beautiful zari leaf weaving. It's looking very gorgeous. You know, those who want to wear a sari like this for reception other than reds and ranis, this is a beautiful piece, beautiful option. One exclusive piece, neighbor's envy, owner's pride. Another gorgeous, stunning tissue Kanjivaram sari with all over story weaving in the body. Look at the sari, and this is not piping, it is woven. The border is fully woven. The red border is woven, piping border. It's woven, not attached. And here we have beautiful figure weaving throughout the sari. Birds, peacock, flowers, motifs, beautiful, just beautiful, lightweight tissue Kanjivaram pure hand woven sari with this blouse piece. You will love this. You will love this. Golden anniversary. This is a must in your wardrobe. Don't miss this out. Just beautiful. Similarly, I have a pink tone in this. Blush pink, lovely color. Recently, I'm so obsessed with this blush, this I just bought a blusher also in this light pink tone. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Very feminine color, and this looks so pretty during the day. In the evening, the color is just so attractive, very attractive shade. And even the blouse piece color, see the tissue zari of the gold and the silk, baby pink silk. It's beautiful shade. Just amazing tissue Kanchipuram. But not only that, it's not solid. It has a beautiful weave design motif throughout the body, which is making it richer and more royal. Darker tone purple. Look at this. Wow, wow. This tissue Kanjivaram has paisley motif along with Meena. The Meena is in dark purple and Rani. I'll just show you closely. This is the Rani Meena on the purple. See the beautiful difference, not too much, yet it is prominent. And then we have the purple contrast Meena as well in this, which is just standing out in between the Rani. See, this is the purple, this is a darker purple. I hope it's clear in the camera. Very beautiful tone on tone, it's just lovely. And here is the pallu with the blouse piece. The richness of the purple. Kanjivaram purples are gorgeous. Few colors in Kanjivarams are so rich. The golds, the purple, the bottle greens. Here is the sari. Another masterpiece collection from Sanskriti Kolkata is this ivory with subtle yellow tone. The yellow tone is also complementing, the zari weave is also complementing the yellow tone and the ivory gold in the body. These are evergreen combinations, and you know, even in Katha stitch we make this kind of on tussar. The yellow tone looks so gorgeous, so not too contrast, yet it looks very striking. And now about the weave. The border is of course woven. Here is the pallu with butta and zari jal, and the body is full tissue jal weaving in Kanjivaram silk. Now we have a bridal red. Red and gold. Red and gold, it's just beautiful. Beautiful. Pure tissue Kanjivaram silk saris from Sanskriti Kolkata's latest YouTube video. Any confusion, any doubt, any questions, feel free to WhatsApp 7603042696. A very, very smart, pure Kanchipuram silk saris is this check border in white. Stunning off-white with zari butta, zari border running throughout the sari and check silk weaving in the border. I love checks. I always was obsessed with checks, even when it was not much in fashion. Years ago. This is the blouse piece. Checks in any form look smart. See the archhole, so beautiful, gold and silver with checkered pallu, blouse, just smart, very, very smart. And we have a opposite color with the black body and checkered. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. You will remember these sarees for a long time. You will love today's episode, but your feedback is important. Please WhatsApp, comment and share and subscribe to our channel, so that will also help us reach, it will help us reach more customers and more sari lovers. This is the blouse piece. And you will also get notifications regularly once you subscribe to our channel. Now I'll show some very stunning, you all know, Madras check sari in pure silk handloom sarees. Now first of all, I'll show you the reverse side. See, these are all pure hand woven Madras check silk sarees, all hand woven. Chakram Buta. This is the sari, and today what I'll be showing you is 3 to 4 gram gold zari weave saris. You can understand from the glaze also, the zari richness, that these are 3 to 4 grams pure zari weavings, pure silk Kanjivaram saris. You get 2 to 3 grams also. There the zari will not be that bright, and see, these are all pure handloom sarees. Beautiful pieces. Amazing combinations. Very fashionable. They'll never go out of style. For occasions, this is a very, very beautiful piece. Look at the richness in the zari. 3 to 4 gram pure zari check Kanjivaram silk sari with traditional butas and the blouse piece. Next, I'll show you a borderless in dark wine. Even the silk count is full silk count you'll get in these with rich gold. And here is the blouse piece with 2 paisley buta in the pallu, in the border, and here is the pallu, borderless. Multicolored Madras check Kanjivaram silk sari. The one that I'm wearing, I'm also wearing a very pretty, this doesn't have buta but it has smaller multicolored check with rich zari border and pallu. This comes with this silk rani color blouse piece, price 18,500, 3 to 4 gram gold zari. Similar type sari, look alike, you get 2 to 3 grams also, but you know, there was definitely, that was much cheaper, but I would prefer that for few thousand rupees. I think this kind of richer zari looks much more better, and I think you will prefer that also. Another very pretty piece is this check silk zari check with the pallu. These are all Madras check Kanjivaram silk sarees, hand woven. 16,900, very, very pretty. And here is the blouse piece in green. Borderless, but in between the checks there is zari weaving. These kind of jewelries go very well with these sarees, temple jewelry. 5,500 is the set price. And here is the jhumka with this. $5500. Full set. Sari price already mentioned. And another gorgeous check silk sari. These Kanjivaram silk saris are a craze. Beautiful handloom saris. Look at the reverse side. You'll be able to understand that these are all hand woven and 3 to 4 gram real zari Kanjivaram silks. Hope you liked today's episode, and we'll be back soon with another. Meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.